Happy 4th of July, everyone. I'd love to spill some delicious tea for you. Ron DeSantis came out with a new ad, and people are not having it. He literally touts his homophobia and transphobia in it. Max Burns says on Twitter, it's difficult to overstate the damage this ad is causing Ron DeSantis right now. His team is frantically working the phones as GOP groups like LCR condemn DeSantis as a raging homophobe. What a massive, inexplicable misfire. The funny thing is, I've actually called Ron DeSantis' office in the past a couple times, asking him what he thinks he's getting out of being a racist, homophobic, transphobe. I mean, I know there are a lot of racist, homophobic, transphobes in this country who will vote for him, but not enough for him to win a general election. DeSantis' staff never has an answer, and so I'm waiting for old Ron to call me back. Tick-tock. I'd love for you to hear, though, what Transportation Secretary and Mayor Pete Buttigieg has to say about this.
And I'm going to leave aside the strangeness of trying to prove your manhood by putting up a video that splices images of you in between oiled-up, shirtless bodybuilders. Who are you trying to help? Who are you trying to make better off? And what public policy problems do you get up in the morning thinking about how to solve?
Republicans only govern for themselves and their uber-rich donors, and they campaign on hate. Please continue to vote out hateful Republicans by continuing to vote blue.
Clap.